We are pleased to show you the 2010 DTS. Elegant and responsive, the distinctive and well-appointed DTS continues the Cadillac tradition of luxury. With enough storage space to compete with an SUV, a gentle floating ride, and a powerful V8 engine, the DTS lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: chrome wheels, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power moonroof, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.